Hello, people. Now, you may be wondering what this is, but you might know. This is the new and improved butterfly knife. Yes, I am making a new and improved one. This one is actually like a real one. Because I can do some sick tricks, bruh. I can do some sick tricks. Let me show you some sick tricks. So yeah, that is how good this thing is. So dudes, it's only 8 parts. I'll be right back when I've demolished it. Okay guys, I'm right back. So you take one of those with the 3 holes. Doesn't matter what color it is. Then take 3 of these and put it in so like you see that little dip thing. Stick it in so the dip clicks in like that. Because then it'll spin freely. If you put it in the other way, it won't spin freely like that. And you want it to spin freely. Then what you want to do is take 2 more and place it exactly the same on the other sides. Just like that. Then take one of these, and it can be 15 long as the handles are. So take this. This one is 7, has 7 holes. This blade is 7 holes. Then take 2 15 long little pieces. 15 with 15 holes in them. Then place those on the ones like that, on the blue ones. And then take another one of these and top it off. Just like that. And actually, it's already done. You can do stick tricks now. Just doing some stick tricks. So yeah, that's the new and improved Balisong knife. And I'm probably going to delete the other video off my channel. Just because I don't want to get old memories of a stupid Balisong knife that made, now I have this awesome one. And before, I couldn't find another one of those long pins, so I just used like a regular pin. Like, you know a regular pin, right? Like this pin. I'm gonna kill you guys. Guys, I can literally kill you. Please don't kill me, please.